Okay, I just made a spot on something that looks like a really nice looking deer shed. So let's go check it out. Oop, can't get my walking stick. See what this thing is. Oh man, this looks nice. Oh dang, I think it's fresh too. Holy cow. Oh my heck. That is a monster. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, that is a freaking huge deer horn. Holy smokes. Oh, pretty sure it's fresh too. I gotta find this other side. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at what it's got going on. It's broken off a cheater too. Oh, wow. That is a nice shed. I cannot believe it. I just found that big, huge deer shed, and so I haven't even picked it up yet. I was just like, I gotta do a quick loop real quick before I pick it up, just to see if it's close. So I went across over this way, up a little bit, just barely, because I didn't want to get too far. I left my pack and the deer shit there, and then I came across, and as I was cutting back down, I get right on the deer shed, which is right there underneath that tree. I get down here and the other side's just right above it, maybe 10 feet, and I didn't even see it that whole time. Unbelievable. It looks like a freaking giant. Oh my gosh. This side's super brown because it's still inside. The tree's a ton. Oh, this is a massive set. Ah, it's really weak on this side. You barely even see it because of the shade. Oh, that's just a big 4-point. Huge 4-point side. The other side, right down here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I didn't see that right there. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm gonna pick these bad boys up. Okay, I'm gonna pick up this first one. It's actually the second one I found on the way down. Oh my gosh, is this the buck? Brown. Nice, solid 4-point. He's got a little nub there. It's kind of busted off. I'm pretty sure this is the buck. I'm up here looking for the others, or a year previous to this buck. Okay, now I'm gonna go grab this other side. This side's huge. This side's got a big old cheater. There's this side again. This one. Nice big 4-point. Here's this huge side. Oh my gosh. Look at this cheater. Oh my gosh, I gotta get these in the sun. Look at that, there's another outside shell. But anyway, look at the cheaters on this thing. It's got one massive one. It's got 2 nipples here and here. And then it's got a big broken cheater right here. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is a nice deer set. Brown. Fresh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Incredible. Look at the backside of that. That is unbelievable. I mean, he has 2, 3, 4 points. No eye guards. 4 extra points on that side. 1 extra on this side. Wow. Nice. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay guys, Bird Outdoors here. I have all the antlers off the same buck that I have found. Right in the middle is his 2013 set. It was found in 2014 by my good buddy Mike. Here's his 2014 side. I still have yet to find the other side to it. I've also yet to find his 2015 set, but on the outside is his 2016 set. He stays pretty similar throughout the years. Pretty nice 4-point. Thanks for watching my videos. If you haven't already, check out my page, Bird Outdoors, on Facebook. Give it a like and a follow. I'll be posting on there as well. But thank you, and please subscribe.